Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to make a file or folder hidden. In this video, I'll show you how to super hide a folder using the Windows command prompt. Unlike the standard hidden option, this method makes the folder invisible even if someone has show hidden files turned on. Let's go to the home page first. I created a folder and we named it secret. So we're going to hide it. So first open CMD. Once it is opened, I'm going to share this information with you. So you have to copy this, and this is your folder path. Okay, now come here and paste it. Make sure that you after you write it, you put a space, and after that you can just drag the folder to if you want, but for this case we're just going to drag the folder. It is a good idea to remember the name of the folder and copy it somewhere else. Okay, now press enter. Okay, now you see the secret folder is gone. Where did it go? It's actually hidden now. And let's try this by going to the desktop and see, like, it's not here. Even if you go to the view and click the hidden items, you won't see it. If you want to see it again, let's refer back to this information. You have to unhide this. You have to put it in your folder path. So in our case, this is the text. I'm going to copy it now and then go to the command. Before you do that, you'll see like it's not here yet. I'll just paste it and then hit enter. It's here. It's back. See, it worked. So you see, like, this is super easy, right? Just make sure that you add a space after the +R before typing the folder path, and try to not lose the name of your folder or it will be hard to find again. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.